Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to delete our Zedge account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now what we need to do is simply go to Profile. In the nav bar, right next to the bell icon, you will see a profile icon right here. Simply click on it. Then this will open up from the side. Deleting an account relates with account settings, so let's click on account settings right here. On your page will pop up that is account management, and right now what we need to do is simply delete our account. On the last tab, you will see something like delete account right here. Just click on it. Then a page like this will open up. You don't need to do anything. Simply hit on this delete account button and give your confirmation, delete. And guys, there you go. Your account has been deleted. Deleting your Zedge account is as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.